Amazon replacing 600,000 workers with robots.
Amazon believes that robots like these are the future.
And if you want to know what life's like when you're not the apex intelligence, ask a chicken.
AI systems are deciding who gets medical care, loans, job interviews, often illegal.
Anthropic is raising alarms tonight about AI's potential impact on employment that could soon be felt.
Will AI take your job?
So, you know, with all this talk about AI taking over the world, I figured I would clear something up. When you're online doing your research, since that's where almost all buyers and sellers start, online, and you're chatting about buying or selling a home, you're typing away, and I'm not sure what I'm doing with my hands here. I guess I'm trying to imagine how you are in front of your screen, passionately typing. You want to make sure you're actually talking to a real person, not a bot, not an algorithm, a human. Preferably one you know, like, and trust. Now, I'm not sure if you're aware, but when you start typing and chatting with a person on one of the well-known real estate sites, you're most likely chatting with a bot. And that bot ends up deciding who to connect you with. Based on your conversation with a bot, that bot will now make a decision for you. So you're not picking your realtor, the person that will be by your side through one of the most important decisions of your life, a real estate purchase. A bot is making that decision. Now tell me that's not weird. Now look, no offense AI, you're smart and all, but you don't know what it feels like to walk into a home and just know it's the one. And you don't get goosebumps from a sunset over the Gulf. And you definitely don't know how to negotiate like a true Floridian who's seen quite a few interesting inspection reports in her lifetime. That's why now, more than ever, it actually matters who you work with. Buying or selling a home is one of the biggest moments of your life, and it deserves a real connection. You want to work with someone who listens to you and communicates and guides you through every twist and turn, not just spits out data points based on some algorithm. Yep, you heard right. Fancy word everyone seems to be using these days, algorithms. And once we connect, you'll see that you can trust me too. You'll quickly see that I always have my client's best interest at heart. So no, it's me. No bots, no automations, no AI assistant by the name of Linda or Alex. It's just me, the human realtor who believes in real connections. Alex, fan? So if you feel the same way, Alex, fan off. If you feel the same way, if you still believe that human connections matter, let's talk. I'll be here every step of the way. I'll go with you through the biggest transaction of your life with you. And when it's all said and done, we can celebrate with a drink. No algorithms needed. I'm Justyna with Preferred Shore, where real estate is done by humans for humans.